Hey guys, welcome back again. In this video we are going to learn how can we edit, archive or delete the client on the FreshBooks app. Let's get started. Open the FreshBook app. You will get this page. Here you have to click on clients option. Now you have to scroll down. You can see all clients here. You just have to click on this box. Now you can see you can edit, archive or delete this. If you want to edit, you have to click on this icon and you can edit it. Again, if you want to archive it, you have to click here. Are you sure you want to archive Oyster? If you want to, then you have to click on OK. Now you can see Oyster has been successfully archived. Also, if you want to view archive clients, you can click here. Now you can see Oyster is here. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this and I will see you in the next video.